With the recent explosion in popularity of online media platforms, the demand for strong written, visual, and video content is higher now than ever before. The Trine University Communication Department puts students on the path to obtaining fulfilling careers in media, journalism, public relations, and more. Our students work hands-on, learning interpersonal skills, the art of photography, videography, and website design using industry-standard equipment and software. Our partnership with the Trine Broadcasting Network places our students on the air and behind the scenes covering Trine University Sports in their very first year on campus. Trine Com students can perfect their digital projects in our new Mac lab with a full array of Adobe software, the same software used at many professional media outlets. Trine Com students publish podcasts to iTunes and Spotify using our brand new Taylor Hall podcasting studio. Students go on the air to produce digital segments featured on the Trine University website and sent out to thousands of followers on social media. When Trine University Com majors graduate, they can do more than list classes they took. They can showcase the real-world written and digital projects they completed. As juniors and seniors, students put their skill sets and desired interests to practice in a professional environment through paired internships with community partners. The demand for communication professionals and digital content creators is higher now than ever before. Now's the time to make your dream job in media a reality with Trine University Communication.